Stuck with the Windows Management Instrumentation DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Avoid long manual edits for Windows Management Instrumentation by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Windows Management Instrumentation. This is the foundational interface for Windows Management Instrumentation, WMI. It enables scripts and administrative tools to query system metrics such as CPU thermals, motherboard serial numbers, and active process lists. Because it is a core management dependency, a missing Wmi.dll will break third-party hardware monitors like HWMonitor and automated driver update utilities. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This error typically indicates corruption within the Windows system core. I recommend launching Command Prompt with administrative rights and running sfc/scan now to automatically replace missing or compromised files such as Windows Management Instrumentation DLL. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Windows Management Instrumentation, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Windows Management Instrumentation. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing Windows Management Instrumentation dependencies. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Windows Management Instrumentation working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.